Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on proxy mode in CapCut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Proxy mode is the feature that can help improve performance while editing large or high resolution video files by using lower resolution proxy files during the editing process. And for you to be able to turn that on, all you have to do is launch the CapCut app on your PC. If you haven't already, just start a new project or open an existing project by clicking the new project or open project options. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this file. Now, to begin your work, import your video files that you want to plan to edit, especially large video files, because sometimes it can slow down the editing process, so proxy mode can be helpful here. How? I want you to go to the menu section on the upper left corner. There should be an option here that says settings. I want you to click on it. And then on the settings panel, there are like four tabs wherein you can choose from the following options. I want you to click the performance because from here, as you can see, you have the option to turn it on to edit smoothly and faster without losing video quality by turning on the proxy mode. I want you to click on it, and you can also use where to save the proxies to. Just select the close the project before selecting a proxy location, and if you want to allocate more memory for the proxy size, and of course before you can do that, you need to close the project before removing the proxy. After that, you want to make sure that you also auto clear this so you can have like an early rendering cache. And then if you hover down below, you also have an option for the auto render. Once you're happy with that, you might want to click on the save button. What will happen is you would be forwarded here, but you would notice. Now I want you to hover back to the menu again and go to the home page because it will save it, and the proxy mode should be in full effect. Click again the project. If you do that, what will happen is you would notice that the proxy has been turned on, and it also arrange the layers. And of course, if you want to disable the proxy mode later, just simply go back to the project settings and toggle the proxy mode into off. Of course, doing this will reduce the lag and stuttering, especially when working with large, high-resolution video files. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.